Hello students, welcome to this class. In this class, we are going to learn articles. So it is very important in English grammar. So let us get into this topic, okay? The words a and the are articles. Just look at these three. A and the are articles. Articles are determiners and point out the nouns. So why do we use articles? Just understand here. What are the usage for using articles? That is what we have to understand here. A and the are the articles which is used to point out the nouns. Okay, understand this carefully. A and the, these three words a and the are articles. Articles are determiners and point out the nouns. Okay, these three words are used to point out the nouns. Okay, where do we place these articles in a sentence? That is even more important. So the articles, these articles are used to point out the nouns. So we know that. So where do we place these articles? They are always placed before nouns. Okay, so articles are placed before nouns. For example, just look at these examples: a boy, a girl, the tiger, the sun. Boy, girl, tiger, sun. These are all nouns. A, the are articles. So boy, girl, tiger, sun are nouns. Before these nouns, articles are placed. A, here, the. Okay, have you understood this? So articles are placed before the nouns. Articles are determiners and point out the nouns. Determining the noun. Okay, what's the job of these articles? Determining the noun. Okay, determining the noun and point out the nouns. Okay, where it is placed, just placed before the nouns. So articles can be classified into two. Okay, articles are divided into two. One is indefinite articles, next one is definite articles. Okay, definite articles, definite article. So we know what is article. Articles are classified into two. One is indefinite article, definite article. A and these are all articles. Here these three has been divided into two. One is indefinite. Okay, indefinite article, definite article. Definite means specific. Specific here, non-specific, not specific. Okay, articles are divided into two. One is indefinite, next one is a definite article. Okay, a and are indefinite articles, whereas the is definite article. Okay, so articles are placed before noun, pointing out nouns, determining nouns. Articles can be classified into two, are divided into two. One is indefinite article, another one is definite article. What are all indefinite article? A and. Okay, non-specific. The specific, definite article. Okay, let us move on to the next one. First, let us study the indefinite articles. Okay, indefinite articles, that is what we have to learn now. A and an are indefinite articles in English. Okay, so articles are divided into two. One is indefinite and definite. A and an are indefinite articles in English. They are used before common singular countable nouns. So just understand this. Where do we use the indefinite articles? Okay, they are used before common singular countable nouns. If the noun is common, if the noun is singular, if the noun is countable, then we can use these indefinite articles. Okay, so they are used before common singular countable nouns. Indefinite articles are used before common singular countable nouns. For example, again, boy, girl, anchor, island. Okay, see, boys common noun, singular and countable. Okay, so here we are using a, girl again the same, anchor, island. Okay, this is a common noun, singular, and also it is countable. So we are using a and an. Okay, using the indefinite articles, where do we use a and an? That is what we are going to study now. So a is used before nouns that begin with a consonant sound. Okay, just look at this word consonant sound, because not mentioned here consonant, letter, alphabet, but we have to look at the sound. Okay, we have to look at the we have to look the sound of the alphabet. Okay, and is used before nouns. Okay, so we know articles are placed before nouns. If a is placed before if a is placed before the noun, that might be the consonant sound. If an is placed, that might be vowel sound. Okay, a is used before nouns that begin with a consonant sound. An is used before nouns that begin with a vowel sound. So vowel sound a, e, I, o, u. These are the 5 alphabets are called as vowels. Remaining alphabets are consonant. Okay, so don't just look at the letter, just look at the sound. Okay, here you have to understand one important thing, not about the letter, not about the alphabet, but it is about the sound. Sound is important, not letter. Okay, so next one, some words are pronounced with a consonant sound despite beginning with vowels. Oh, that's why I have told you, that's why I told you we have to look at the sound, not a letter. Some words are pronounced with a consonant sound, okay, despite beginning with vowels, such as u, o, e. See, as in university, on, and European, in such cases we use a. So I told you already, if the sound is consonant, there we have to use a. If the sound is vowel, we have to use an. First look at this, university starts with the vowel. Okay, u, a, e, I, o, u. So this word university has been started with vowel u. So you may think that we have to use an. So as it is started with the u, that is wrong. Okay, so just look at the sound, university, u, why u? The same sound will arise here also, university, u. Okay, so the sound of the word university is not like vowel, but it is like consonant. Okay, so we are using here a. Okay, see, university is the word, starts with the u, u is vowel, but we don't use an, but instead of using and we are using a. The reason is the sound. University, the sound is a consonant, so we are not using an, but we are using a. One, see, one, yes, like I told you before, one, it starts with the vowel, okay, it starts with the vowel, but the sound is consonant. So again we are using a. And European, okay, it starts with e, but the sound is u, okay. University, European, it's like u, the same sound. So this is not a vowel sound, but it is a consonant sound. So that's why we have used a. That's why we are using a. So some words are pronounced with a consonant sound despite beginning with the vowels, such as u, o, e, as in university, one, and European. Okay. In such cases we use a. Next, there are words that begin with a consonant. So just contrast of this one. There are words that begin with a consonant, but the consonant sound is silent. Okay, such as honest, honor, our. In such cases we use article an. See, honest, honor, our. In such cases we use article an. See here, it is totally different from what I said in the previous one. Here it starts with the h. It is not a vowel, but it is a consonant. But we are not using a, but we are using an, because h is silent in this case. Okay, honest, honor, our. Okay, so the sound of the word is like vowel, so we are using an. Understand the difference here. These are whatever we are discussing now is very much important, so listen very carefully, try to understand this. When you have more practice, when you are going through many practices, you will be understanding this. You just watch this video frequently so that you will understand this. Okay, honest, honest, honor, our. It starts with h, but we are not using a, but we are using an, because h is silent. Okay, keep it in your mind. Next, okay, next one. There are words that begin with consonants but are pronounced with a vowel. There are words that begin with the consonants but are pronounced with a vowel sound, such as abbreviations like MA, LPG, MLA. Such words also take the article an. So MA, LPG, MLA, these words, these abbreviations, okay, it starts with a consonant, but the sound of the abbreviations are like vowel, so we are using an. Okay, an MA, an LPG, an MLA. Okay, so these are very important in articles. You just keep this in your mind. Next, definite article. Okay, definite article. The definite article the is used to refer to a specific noun. Okay, the definite article is used to refer to a specific noun. For examples, a man stole from the shop. The thief has not been caught yet. So before we studied indefinite articles, we studied about a and an. Where do we use a and where do we use an? That is what we discussed in the previous picture. Now we are seeing definite article. Okay, the definite article there is used to refer to a specific noun. Okay, that is what definite article. Just to understand the difference between definite and indefinite article. Definite article, certain, that is certain, sure. The specific noun, if you want to point out the specific noun, you can use the. Okay, the definite article there is used to refer to a specific noun. Okay, listen, if you watch these examples very carefully, you can understand the definite article. First one, a man stole from the shop. A man stole from the shop. The thief has not been caught yet. Here a man stole money. Okay, a money from the shop. The thief has not been caught yet. A man, here we are using a because the listener don't know. The listener don't know who is being talked about. Okay, so here indefinite articles has been used, but in the next sentence, the thief has not been caught yet. The thief has not been caught yet, which means the thief. Which thief? Yeah, a man stole from the shop. Okay, a man stole from the shop. A man is the thief. Okay, so here we are talking about the same person. Okay, same person. Here we are using a. We are using the same person here. We are mentioning. We are pointing out the same person. So we are the noun is definite. Okay, specific, that particular person. So we are using that. Okay, a man stole from the shop. That thief has not been caught yet. So the thief. Okay, a thief stole from the shop. The thief has not been caught yet. So look at the next one. I planted a tree. Okay, I planted a tree. The tree has grown larger. The tree has grown larger.